Ready?
Yeah, a Shelly expression is I'm want to St. Petersburg. Look out, we just come from the Russia embassy and all these things and beer things. Latonya European. I'm going to tell you what it's all about.
Yo, the Russian embassy was a good look. Russia, look out for we St. Petersburg, OMG.
We say it turn up. We just dance them place. We just shell them the place. And guess what? We have a new thing coming. We just show a little piece. A little piece of what it's going to look like.
Because guess what? We hear about the white skies. You know, June 25th to July 1st. When you see the beautiful white nights are going to there, alright, we want to see it. So guess what? We are going to premiere a new dance. It's called the White Nights.
Watch it.
White Nights, white skies. We don't know, whatever you want to call it. So, Russia, look out for it. Watch it down.
When you ready for it?
I like it.
No, a little piece is the way I'm doing. A little piece.
So hold on there. What the rest of people them there? No, them are going to let them cute. Them going to let them nice. But hold on there.
On a year already. I don't want no more. Let's just go see this one already. Hold on, man, just wait. St. Petersburg. Here we come. You know, see the maddest set of dancers that come over the door. Alright then. No leap of talking. You go see it. Boom.
Andre, who you say I come? Who you say I come? Who really go there that camp here?
No, you.
Latonya style, Andre Cosmic, Shelly from the... Hold on there.
But it does take a quick call here, but we're there now. Yeah.
Who are going to there?
Shelly expressions. Latonya, first class. Andre Cosmic.
Yeah.
Sri Lanka.
Alright, hold on. Don't bother things that you don't see. Sri Lanka and John Bling, them now go there.
No man, them
but them things start out.
Them a little small.
You know, them are businessmen, so them a do them little things, so them never there with me today, but they will be there. Sri Lanka, I got there. Also horrifical. Yo, you might go to all of the style. John Bling, where you say, take away yourself? No, sir. It's a good look.
Alright, Latonya, hear me I say, them know you and them know say you have a couple things. But I want a little piece of the pretty wine.
Alright, pretty wine. So pretty wine, watch it
Watch it now. Pretty wine. Pretty wine. Sure. Pretty wine now. Pretty wine. No, sir. Swim through. Hey, backstroke. Hey, backstroke. No, sir, St. Petersburg, no good again.
Bob!
Andre Cosmic, hear me I say now. Go team up. Give them a little piece of the team up. Them have to know the team up. See? Make them know who are coming up. Because them see the dance them and some of them don't know how it goes. See it there? Make them know who create the team. KO. Shooter. No, sir. Shelly, give them a little piece of the tender touch now. A little piece of the. Hear me now. Tender touch. Because we love you so much. Just tender touch. Give them a little piece of the one knock now. A bigger nasty you go. One knock. And the one knock wine.
No, but Avil, give me this. Come.
Yeah,
Female.
Hold on.
The certified dancehall teachers, come on.
St. Petersburg. Let me tell you something. I just want you to know this. It ain't dancehall until the Jamaican dancers are doing it. That's when it's real dancehall. We're going to get the lifestyle of dancehall now because Latonya styles are forward. Certified dance teacher. Shelly expressions are forward. Certified dance teacher. Andre Cosmic are forward. Certified dancer. Them man they run the streets. Them say elite team. We say Sri Lanka. We go so horrifical. We say John Bling. We say when say smoother than move. No sir. Hear me I say no. Look out St. Petersburg. Them say from the 25th of June to the 1st of July. Russia no good again. You know say them go? Them go white sky. And that them say no.
Alright.
White sky.
Alright.
I mean say what? Summer step.
Summer step. Summer step. Summer step. Alright. Bad people. Bad people. Bad people. Alright then. Bad people. Bad people. Bad people. Alright then. Bad people. Bad people. Bad people.
All this and more coming to St. Petersburg, 25th of June to the 1st of July. Young they no good again. Latonya first class styles.
What?
Shelly expressions.
What?
Andre Cosmic.
What?
John Bling. You hear me now?
It turn up its
Sri
head.
Lanka. Everything proper.
St. Petersburg.
Look out.
We're out.